Good morning mga lalab. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Anglican Offset. So ngayon ay magbibideo lang tayo, tingin-tingin kung anong makikita natin. Videohan ko muna kung ano ang nakalagay dito na quote sa uh, Anglican Parish of Mandarin. Yan, don't wait for your ship to come in. Row out to meet it. Yan. I like to read this one. Don't wait for your ship to come in. Row out to meet it. Ayan. Yan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mandarin, mga lalab. Yan. I love garden. I like the flowers. It's nice color. Look at the flower down there. Yeah, although springtime. Yan. Pasok tayo mga lalab doon sa loob. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mabibili natin ngayon dito. Ayan. From the clothing, the kids clothing, everything is here, something in there. Have a look. That is nice. Piper. That is really nice. That is really cool, isn't it, mga lalab? I want to buy that. Yeah. Yeah, the price is starting $4. I like this. I can wear this one in the summertime. Yeah. They have a kids clothing in here. Yeah, kids clothing. Yeah. From the furniture, got some furniture. Yeah, my furniture, the curtain, everything is here. All the cabinet. Yeah, meron din yung lahat-lahat dito mga lalab. Morning. Ice. I'm gonna put the ice in here. That is this. That is really cool for ice packet. I take this. Can put that one in the box. Can put that one in the box. I think I got some. I take some.
So where did I leave it?
Just up the end where the
oh yeah, okay.
Just past where that lady is.
Oh yeah, okay. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Yeah, I think I take this one. This water dispenser. Can I put this one somewhere in here, lab?
Put them under the table there.
Under the table?
Yeah.
Yep, thank you. I put in here. Ayan, nakakuha tayo ng lagayan ng. Tapos lagyan natin sa basket. Here, go. Put in the basket. Ito na dress. Ayan. Morning. I have.
Hello, sorry.
Nothing much today, though, including hello, Mario. I'm looking for the, the tweezer. Tweezer, the something like hang on, the can clip like using for the surgery, something. The tweezer, the long one. You don't.
Tweezers.
Yeah, tweezer.
Oh. Not this sort of thing.
No, not the tongue. Something like that. But I want the like that pointed one, the thin one.
Very thin one.
Because I want to make the the terrarium, so I put all the tiny plant in there, so straight through to the bottom.
Oh right.
Yeah.
No, I don't think we've got
keep looking the other day, even if the others.
Just keep looking, I think.
Yeah, because the other day I bought the nice container, the base.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so I make the terrarium in there.
All right.
That is really good idea for Christmas. Terrarium, terrarium.
Oh, that is gorgeous. See?
No, he was George the Fifth, yes. Hmm? No, no.
McDonald's, something like this from McDonald's. Here we go. McDonald's. One glass for McDonald's. I grab it. Take it, take it, take it. Got a coffee plunger. What is that? Is that glass? That is a good idea. Nice container. Nice glass container with lid. Where's your glass? Put it there. Put in the basket. Yeah. Got a plastic container in here with a big jug down there. Big jug. Yeah, the big jug. Big jar is good for my terrarium. This is nice for the terrarium. With the lid. Or I sent to Shillette. Shillette, look. I want to put something in there for you. Yeah, with a big jar. Nice jar. And a biscuit container. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is really cool. What is that? All the same one. Wick. Wick. They're all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. That is nice. Nice container. Nice glass container. And the jug.